How to optimize your Wi-Fi network for better speed. Step-by-step guide. Is your Wi-Fi painfully slow? Are video calls dropping or streaming just not cutting it? Today, we are going to show you how to optimize your Wi-Fi network for faster, smoother internet. No technical degree required. Let's get your network flying again. First, choose the best router location. First up, router placement. Wi-Fi signals are strongest when your router is centrally located. Do not hide it in a corner or behind furniture. Place it off the floor, away from thick walls and metal. Keep it away from electronics like microwaves or baby monitors. If you have a multi-story home, try placing it on the middle floor. Think of your router like a lighthouse. The more open and central it is, the better coverage you will get. Second, upgrade your router or firmware. If your router is over 4 to 5 years old, it might be time for an upgrade. Look for dual-band or tri-band routers with Wi-Fi 6 support. Update your firmware through your router's settings page. This boosts performance and security. Consider routers with mesh support for large homes. Third, adjust settings for performance. Next, tweak your settings. Use the 5 GHz band for faster speeds if you are close to the router. Use 2.4 GHz for a wider range. Change the Wi-Fi channel to avoid congestion. Apps like Wi-Fi Analyzer, Android, or Airport Utility, iOS, help with this. Turn on QoS, quality of service, to prioritize important devices like your laptop or gaming console. Fourth, secure and streamline. Too many devices or freeloaders can slow you down. Secure your network with WPA2 or WPA3 encryption and a strong password. Kick off unknown devices via your router admin panel. Restart your router regularly. Weekly is ideal. Here's a tip. Create a guest network to isolate visitors from your main devices. Fifth, consider range extenders or mesh systems. If you still have dead zones, try a Wi-Fi range extender or a mesh Wi-Fi system. Mesh systems are especially great for large homes. They create a seamless, unified network. Finally, optimizing your Wi-Fi doesn't have to be complicated. With just a few changes, you can boost speed, reduce lag, and enjoy a smoother online experience. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop your Wi-Fi questions in the comments below. Stay connected and see you next time.